everyone, I am Lee Jeline and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to delve into the world of Microsoft Visual Studio. I'll walk you through the installation process, give you an overview of what Visual Studio Community 2022 supports, show you how to start a new project, and introduce you to some of the basic tools that will make your coding experience smoother. So let's jump right in and get started with Visual Studio. So, before we dive in, let's clarify the distinction between Visual Studio and Visual Studio Code. While Visual Studio offers a robust integrated development environment or IDE with extensive features, Visual Studio Code serves as a lightweight yet powerful text editor. Visual Studio 2022 offers three main editions tailored to the needs of different developer groups. So, the Community Edition is freely available and caters to individuals, academic settings, and open source contributors. It provides the essential tools for development but with some limitation for enterprise use. The Professional Edition is a paid version that builds upon the Community Edition with additional features for professional developers and small teams, offering a more robust set of tools for commercial environment. Lastly, the Enterprise Edition is the most feature-rich, supporting all the functionalities provided by the Visual Studio 2022. And it is designed for large-scale and complex enterprise projects. This tiered offering ensures that whether you are working on personal projects, professional development, or enterprise applications, there's a version of Visual Studio that fits your needs. So, let's initiate the installation process by navigating to the official Microsoft website and downloading the Visual Studio 2022 Community Edition. This version is perfectly suited for personal use and educational use, offering a range of features tailored to developers like us. You can see here it is downloading the executable file. After that, we run this executable file for Visual Studio Installer. So Visual Studio Community 2022 supports web and cloud like ASP.NET and web development, Azure development, Python development, Node.js development for desktop and mobile, .NET Multi-Platform App UI development, .NET Desktop development with C++, Universal Windows Platform development, and mobile development with C++. For gaming, game development with Unity, game development with C++, and other toolsets, data storage and processing, data science and analytical applications, Visual Studio Extension development, Office or SharePoint development, and Linux and embedded development with C++. As we're focusing on Django, it's essential to select components relevant to the web development, including Django templates and extension, like Python web support. After confirming your selections, proceed with the installation. This may take some time due to the size of the components involved. So once downloaded, launch Visual Studio and create a new project. Search for Django and select blank Django Web Project. Provide a name for your project and choose a suitable location. So before proceeding, let's update the requirements.txt file. Since our project uses Pillow module, ensure to add Pillow to the text file. Now, Let's create a virtual environment. Name your environment such as Django and click Create. Wait for the environment to be created. You can monitor the progress at the bottom left corner. So once the environment setup is complete, delete the default Django web project that was created. And we'll now import our existing code. Start by importing the project folder named hjatweb, which contains our Django project. And similarly import the app named hjatweb app and the media folder where our images are stored. For files, import the SQLite database and manage that by file. So to run the project, click on Web Server and select your preferred browser. In this demonstration, we'll be using Microsoft Edge. And there you have it. We've successfully imported and configured our Django project within Visual Studio. Now let's fire it up and see it in action. To change the theme in Visual Studio, go to Tools, Options, under Environment, General, find Color Theme. I'll select blue first. Click OK to apply. Let's try other themes. Light theme. Click OK to apply. Then let's put it back to dark. Okay, so to adjust the font size and family, open Tools, Options, go to Environment, Font and Colors. For the font, let's change Cascadia Mono to Consolas and size from 10 to 8. Click OK to apply. That's it. To display line numbers in Visual Studio, open Tools, Options, select Text Editor, all languages, check line numbers, click OK to apply. There you have it, the line numbers. To configure the startup behavior of Visual Studio, go to the Tools menu, select Options. Within the Options window, navigate the Environment section and find the Startup settings. Then you'll see options for what should be displayed when you launch Visual Studio. You can choose Start Window, Most Recent Solution, Empty Environment. To access Visual Studio Installer from within the IDE, click Tools, Get Tools, and Features. The installer will open, allowing you to modify, install, or update components. For updates, go to Help, check for updates, If an update is available, click Update. Mine is up to date. This process ensures you to have latest features and fixes for Visual Studio 2022. So that's it for our video. Thank you for joining me in this Visual Studio tutorial. If you found value in our session, please leave a like and share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, happy coding!